Imagine being thirsty on a 6-hour flight, trapped in your middle seat. It's a common dilemma. Should you have bought that overpriced water bottle at the terminal, or risk bringing your own through security? Or maybe you're a first-class traveler, eyeing the cocktail. But when is it appropriate to press that elusive flight attendant call button? The great button debate, a flight attendant's perspective. It's a controversial topic, and one that can spark differing opinions. Some flight attendants, particularly those working for US-based carriers, may cringe at the thought of passengers pressing the call button for a drink. But here's the catch. It's not a universal rule. The rules vary depending on the airline, the phase of the flight, and even the class of service. For instance, during taxi, takeoff, and landing, cabin crew are often too busy to fulfill drink requests. And let's not forget the business class passengers, who sometimes get the short end of the stick, yet are more likely to have their requests honored compared to those in coach. So, is it ever okay to press that button? The Washington Post weighs in. The Washington Post attempted to provide an air travel etiquette guide with their 52 definitive rules of flying. One rule states that the flight attendant button is not a vodka tonic button. They suggest treating it like a 911 call, to be used only in emergencies, not for thirst. But is this really the case? The union bosses take. Sarah Nelson, head of the largest flight attendants union, has strong opinions on the matter. She believes passengers should never press the call button for a drink. In fact, she even tried to get the government to ban alcohol on planes, which would reduce the workload for her members. However, her stance is not without controversy. The alternative to pressing the call button is to head to the galley, but this creates its own set of issues. Flight attendants don't want a constant stream of passengers blocking the aisles, and airlines often discourage congregating in the galley. In Ms. Nelson's world, passengers would simply go without hydration, and cabin crew would have no reason to provide service. But the call button exists for a reason, right? Airlines weigh in. Interestingly, airlines have a different perspective. Emirates, for example, has reminded its flight attendants not to ignore the passenger call button. According to the airline, it's not the 9/11 of the sky. In fact, they monitor response times to customer requests. So what's the verdict? The final word. The flight attendant call button is, at its core, a way to call attention to a flight attendant. If you need a drink, ask. But be prepared for potential delays, and on certain airlines, even a fee. And who knows, your crew member might make you wait out of principle for pressing that button. So is it worth the risk? The debate continues, and we want to hear your thoughts. Do you agree with the union boss, or do you think passengers should have the right to press that button? Let us know in the comments.